In Python, the operator which a set uses for test if an object is in the set. If I have a list of objects, I can use the __cmp___ method to override objects are compared. This affects how the == operator works, and the item in list function. However, it doesn't seem to affect the item in set function. I'm wondering how I can change the MikeList object so that I can override the behavior how the set compares items. For example, I would like to create an object that returns true in the 3 print statements at the bottom. At the moment, the last print statement returns false.
Set uses ___hash___ for comparison. Override that and you'll be good.